Hey everyone, welcome back to Super Top, your go-to channel for the best reviews and top picks on the market. Today we're diving into the world of hand blenders, also known as immersion blenders. Whether you're a home cook or a smoothie enthusiast, hand blenders are incredibly versatile tools that can make your kitchen tasks a breeze. But like any gadget, they come with their own set of pros and cons. So if you're thinking about adding one to your kitchen arsenal, stick around. And remember, if you're interested in the best hand blenders with all the top features we discuss, the links to those products are right in the video description. Let's blend it up. Pros of hand blenders. Let's kick things off with the pros. One of the biggest advantages of hand blenders is their convenience and portability. Unlike traditional countertop blenders, hand blenders are compact and easy to use directly in your pot, bowl, or glass. This means you can blend soups, sauces, and smoothies right in the container without having to transfer anything, which saves both time and cleanup. Plus, their slim design means they can easily fit into any kitchen drawer, making storage a non-issue. Another great benefit is the versatility of hand blenders. Many models come with interchangeable attachments, like whisks and choppers, allowing you to not only blend but also whisk egg whites, make whipped cream, or even chop vegetables. This multifunctionality makes them a great all-in-one tool for small kitchens or anyone looking to simplify their kitchen gadgets. Hand blenders are also very easy to clean. Most detachable parts are dishwasher safe. And because you're blending directly in your cooking vessel, there's less mess to deal with overall. This makes them perfect for quick tasks, like making a single smoothie or pureeing a soup without having to lug out and clean a full-sized blender. Additionally, hand blenders provide more control over your blending. You can move the blender around in the container to target specific areas, which is great for achieving the perfect consistency. Whether you're looking for a smooth puree or a chunkier texture, hand blenders give you the flexibility to get it just right. Remember, if you are interested in purchasing any of the options that have all these positive features, check out the links we left in the video description. You won't regret it. Cons of hand blenders. Now let's touch on some cons, though there aren't many, and they're not deal breakers for most people. One limitation is that hand blenders usually don't have the power of a full-sized countertop blender, so they may struggle with tougher tasks like crushing ice or blending very hard ingredients. However, for most everyday tasks like making soups, sauces, and smoothies, a hand blender provides more than enough power. Another con is that hand blenders can sometimes create splatters if not used carefully, especially when blending hot liquids. It's important to keep the blade fully submerged to avoid making a mess. Some models come with splash guards, which can help minimize this, but it's still something to keep in mind when using them. Lastly, while hand blenders are great for smaller batches, they're not ideal for large quantities. If you're preparing food for a big group, a full-sized blender might be more efficient. However, for personal or small family use, a hand blender's convenience often outweighs this minor drawback. So there you have it, the pros and cons of hand blenders. They're compact, versatile, and perfect for quick blending tasks right in your cooking vessel, though they might not be the best choice for very tough ingredients or large quantities. If you're looking to make your kitchen life easier with a tool that offers convenience and control, a hand blender is definitely worth considering. If you're interested in purchasing any of the top hand blenders that have all these great features, be sure to check out the links in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest reviews and top picks. See you at the next Super Top.